Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today we're going to cook something that you normally see in Chinese restaurants, and usually this is expensive, so instead of spending a lot of money, I'll teach you how to do it at home. This is Chinese style beef with broccoli. Let's start cooking! We will make the marinade first. In a medium bowl, we're going to add some baking soda. Then we'll add a few drops of sesame street oil. Sunny day, sweeping out clouds away. Next, we'll add some soy sauce. To add more flavor, let's add some freshly ground pepper. The last ingredient in our marinade is the cornstarch. Mix everything together before we add our beef. It's time to add our thinly sliced beef. Make sure that your beef is fully coated with your marinade. Chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Let's prepare the aromatics. Let's mince some garlic. Get the medium-sized onion and cube it. Knock knock. Who's there? Onion. Onion who? Onion kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw ay minamahal ko. I was talking to my friend Harley one time, and I told him that I hate peeling ginger, and he told me there's a technique there. Did you know? Of course I said yes. And because I'm a fast typist, I googled it, and Google says it's the spoon technique. So you're seeing here, I'm trying it out, and it works. So if you're peeling the ginger with a spoon and it's still hard, try dipping it in water first, and then it will become easier. That information didn't come from Google, it's from my own experience. Boom! next thing to do is we're gonna slice some broccoli. Just a reminder, don't throw away the stalk. Let's go back to our stalk and remove the outer part. And then slice it thinly. We're done with the preparation, mise en place. It's time to cook. In a pan of boiling water, we're gonna add some salt. Dump in your broccoli and cook it for 2 minutes tops. Immediately scoop up all your broccoli and place them all in a bowl of iced water. By blanching the broccoli, we're trying to preserve its texture, the color, and the flavor. In a clean pan, on medium heat, saute your ginger first. We'll cook our onions next until translucent. To complete our aromatics, we're gonna add the garlic. Add your marinated beef. And on medium heat, stir fry your beef. While waiting for our beef to cook, please support my family and friends' YouTube channels: Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, Donnie Ray Cabral Official, Love Joanna, and my travel diary. Let's go back to our cooking. This time we're gonna add our slurry. It's a mixture of oyster sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, and water. If you prefer a thicker sauce, add more cornstarch. We'll be seasoning our food with salt and pepper. Of course, there should be chili flakes. It's mandatory for me, optional for you. It is time to marry our beef with our broccoli. Get your bowl of rice ready in 2 minutes. I like to eat my beef with broccoli with lots of togarashi. Enjoy your perfectly splendid beef with broccoli. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.